Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys had a great weekend. I hope you guys rested and recharged for this coming week. Today I have some, what is this again? Some cocktail shrimp with oyster. They only gave me one oyster. But it has shrimp, oyster, clams, and it's in a lime, and I don't know what the other liquid is, but I had to judge it up because I like my stuff very limey. And also I have some cilantro to crunch on. I have some tostadas, and back here I have tapatio and some saltine crackers. So grab something to eat and come eat with me. Don't mind my look. I just got off of work. It was my first day, and it wasn't the same department that I was hoping it would be, but I'm not mad. So I'm in pack singles, so I'm basically packing orders for customers, which is way different from the department I was in. It's so good. I love drinking the broth. This position is more of my upper body and lower body. It feels like it's been so long since I filmed. But I will still try to film every day. I just have to get my schedule in order. Let's put some ketchup on this. So how was your guys' weekend? Did you do anything fun? Did you just stay home? I woke up so confused because I totally forgot about daylight savings. It's like, what? I wanted to wake up at 7:30. But when I looked at my clock, it was 8:30. And when I looked at my phone, I was like, okay, it's daylight savings. That would have been so bad for my first day to be late. Have you guys ever been late to your first day of work? With some ketchup. Oh, there's the one oyster, one puny oyster. So if you're watching this, you're gonna be watching this on Monday, but I'm filming this on Sunday night, and it's close to 7 p.m. And by the time I edit it, it's gonna be like around 10. So this video should be going out at 9 a.m. tomorrow. I was debating whether I wanted to film, but I can't let my subscribers down. And I really appreciate all you guys, all the old subscribers, all the new subscribers. You guys are really awesome. Like a cold soup, sour cold soup. Let's do the oyster. Try it with some ketchup. Guys ready? That is so new. I see people eat this different ways, but this is how I usually eat it. I know some people put mayonnaise at the base and then top it. Okay. I'm so hungry. All I had for lunch was a tuna sandwich and a small bag of Vicky's jalapeno kettle chips. It's so weird now. Like when I worked there was before COVID, but now after COVID, like it's all single seating, and we're all separated by plexiglass partition. And they're like everywhere. Crazy. And it sucks because I'm fully vaccinated, but I still have to wear my mask. View. Look at all that cilantro. Cilantro. It's gonna be a big bite. I don't even think I could. Oh my god. I want to do the oysters that that big guy Appetite does. They look so good. All that lime, the salt, and the salsa. Oh my god. I forgot the ceviche. They gave you a small sample of their ceviche. It's pretty good. Whew, that was so good. Guys, that's the end of this video. That's all crooked. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Consider subscribing. Also, hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And until I see you guys again, bye.